Mwami Henry ndi Joli ate mwami Henry ono tujja kuba naye eno mukusunsula akaluke tuli kujjam tujja kyamanga naye wano era mwami Saira saida ku producing ino list ya buli mukulembeze bananga ende obukulembeze mujja kuidanga no mwayemu ku embozi kuba nenda mwangwize mu kwa balonzi mangu mwidano mwawaya mu embozi n'abalonzi bona bagobera always no reaching abantu amangu ino bategeera strategy yo bakutegeera mangu akaluba akaboma mu mangu kyona kyawa oba bakakendeza so mwami Henry owulire ensonga abaka abandi tibaliko lero omukulu adikuwayire ku nsonga edo obukulembeze tusobotya kwongera mu kubanga bukolera abantu yego batu bi strategy daiwe dandi yambako ebyalo
Nayaziza ino but before I go on that one eri ekintu kyenenza okwogera ku
briefly
ku kya coffee bill ekintu kya coffee bill blaming up government it is a good issue for rationalization my only problem into government yakola advocacy mala this rationalization yatandikira mu parliament yasembayo nga bali kuba how they should cut expenditures mu government the resolution yabita by rationalizing echi parastatos kyaja mu cabinet kyava mu cabinet they put a subcommittee yawa report chaira mu parliament ni kuansa dichiriku but the same parliament yaira ya chenyinga buteri kuundu wikinga omuntu wa wasi singa government yali ekoze advocacy from 2019 nekobera abantu process yona I don't think it would be an issue now buli department ya ministry erina chebeta public relations office or communications office tulina Uganda Media Center erina vote from the consolidated fund
sure
media center chetukolera kuida tukobera cabinet byasazeo that is not the role of a media center erina okukobera abantu buli kijja mu maiso okunga abantu ebakobere ebintu nga bino byandu bayina every time they are at the media center betayo commission over from public service akobera abantu so abantu bali hundu wicked by lacking information nawe chonga nchimaze bana ife ba to be obuzibu bwe balina bali oti niba aba MP baifa abandi ekintu tukigwamu bakigwamu gati bakoze research for instance I don't expect omuntu ali kwenda obukulembeze okuba nti omumba ka parliament I suppose kusomesa bana I suppose likola ngudo those are by the ways omumba ka parliament I suppose kutesa
okay watch the fundraising ngo mukulu wako
oh yes you can fundraise as a by the way there is a law
chona tichabuka
there is a law they are trying to moot atenze supporting bemu people lekele no fundraising role ya government ebe ya government MP concentrating development kukuwagira abantu ku developing outside the government mandate MP legislating aleta amateka I would love an MP ajo kuleta an ordinance at a district level ngeliko banti abana bona balino ja kuisomero ewe bati bajiro omuzayi tumusibe kuba iteka lizira mu government but an ordinance can be accepted
councillor
I've never seen an MP for instance e kabili twaina ordinance endala
councillor akole ebyo
no councillor baifa abandi
akole ebyo
ati councillor kuzira ku minimum education eriya councillor butisa weno ni wombuza ordinance kitegeza kinga chidi
so to amending iteka babugumizi bwenga ku
the MP must guide these local leaders the councillors abakobere chokola that is the MP's role tukwida kuzimba amasomero olakobe ati ngamuganda ngona akobya ati kisaya twala abanere that is actually we must appreciate kisanti asomesa abana but at the same time kisawa abanga tali ku monitoringa CD school eri mu constituency and the schools are na madwaliro then you have a right to blame Chisa. But if Chisa is taking kids to study in his school outside the constituency, I think it is a plus. Echindi, iwoenda Chisa ida ate somelo constituency muna asasula sente. Muni mweta government. I don't support MPs to do their investments in the constituency. However, they can bring one thing, 10% for purposes of okulaga abandi kintu kikolewa. Chiringazi bwendi kuta somelo etendekero abasawo. Ekamuli, that is only less than 10% of my investments. the majority in Kampala. But nenda kulaga abeka muli nti kisoboka n'okubaawa mu kyalo nagita mu kyalo. But in my place, if you pass there, it is like a city. It's a satellite city. Era chilese nti itaka lyani na bei, and so many people want to bring the village. Kukubonera ku.
Acres meka.
Ninji. Over 100.
Wow.
But what is important, all these leaders are having problems because by daba agwa mchintu nga tibakoze chebeta research. Bazira information. Nzewe nendo yete ku bano MP o challenging MP omubuze nti according to the electoral commission data, how many voters do you have in your constituency? If you are lucky, ojafuna omulala, including this current MPs.
But strategies nga
if by coincidence
babugaita bafuna bategeba na wangula so ababi
by coincidence wobuza MP nti district constituency yo government ejuwa ya center makers for the last 5 years, you will not get one. This data is everywhere. Ni wanunja Google one. Natamu, for instance, Uganda Road Fund. I remember Kalula Kasembayo, muto wange kategori ali aliko bati kadaga takula ngudu. Twali kulare na kwa right on kadaga na mufunira data. Twaje obunanga Kamuli District Road Fund yakajiwa bilioni 5 for 5 years. And there were no roads. But this man was under the road committee and the district chairperson. And it ceased being an issue because they realized it to Linabu, you know. Now, you politicians who are coming, if you want to challenge the incumbent, so kofunebu, you know. Honorable Brenda, I made a Mkoboyoti, 12%, you never followed up. Government yatuwa jatu bilioni 5, yatuwa bilioni 2. As an MP, did you try to follow up with finance while that money wasn't released? Those are the substantive issues we want you to discuss. Tukukoba anti Henry alobi okusomesa abana ko dienu etakoze kibali kile kyabomoka. That is a role of a government, not a member of parliament. And for you as a person, you cannot do it. Kuba ni bona afune sente ojja kujo olina amabando already. Ojja kutandika tola musala gwo ojja okola enguudo nga government is supposed okola nguudo nga iwa amabanda bali kusiba.
Kale ekyokolera okutola abantu mukole ekida kyonka is a good project.
It's a good project. There's PDM. The government has brought PDM. Why is Ruka still backward? When there's PDM, there's Myoga, there's everything. It is an issue of monetary. Ayema jama leta abakozi atamu. Henry aleta all the brothers, in-laws and cousins yabata ku list ya PDM mwakitegera mwaloba mugema.
So kabifafagani.
Mwagaba PDM mwategera mujuwa ine mutamivu. Makamu we milioni buti mwagana wale. Ngali kuna wala jaguze bia aba ilano wala jali kuna bia mwaloba mugema. Lwakuba alina akalulu. How are you going to bring the poverty out of the country?
Upgrade nze kubia.
You cannot eradicate poverty.
Government ya mtu ile kukawala.
Buli timu swalira abantu. Olina kuswalira abantu. Dr. Kazungu katonda mu ekyumule ky'emirembe. That man ni ayogeranga ku graduation ya avuma ngai na abasoga ya avuma. But right now if you went to Kamuli when there's a graduation, each family has, each zone has people graduating, more than one. Era ifa abe Kamuli twasoma ino by the way. Tuli basomi because of that gentleman who is in aliyo wakatonda tudelo tulijja musabira.
Kawuche.
So amazima some of us nzewe mbatida uone kusaba chakulya. And I have a role to tell you the truth. I will tell you na kwanti wobaweni ndo nene kwanti muneni ndo yonene you need plastic surgery so that you improve on your beauty.
Thank you.
Yes.
Kale.